A worldwide mental health website guide at checkpointerg.com. Chapter 1. A worldwide mental health website guide at checkpointerg.com. Checkpointerg.com covers some mental health categories. youtube.com/watch $v=7YGP8NK-IOY, guided meditation. Facebook.com/checkpointerganization, Instagram.com/checkpointerg, Twitter.com/checkpointerg, checkpointerg.com/psychosis, schizophrenia, and psychosis. checkpointerg.com/eating-disorders, eating disorders. checkpointerg.com/bipolar-affective-disorder, bipolar affective disorder. checkpointerg.com/imposter-syndrome, imposter syndrome. checkpointerg.com/autism-spectrum-disorder, autism spectrum disorder. checkpointerg.com/burnout, crunch, and burnout. checkpointerg.com/personality-disorders, personality disorders. checkpointerg.com/anxiety, anxiety. checkpointerg.com/addiction, addiction. checkpointerg.com/depression, depression. checkpointerg.com/mental-health-resources, free resources. checkpointerg.com/global, global sites and hotlines. checkpointerg.com/coping-companion, coping companion. checkpointerg.com/mental-health-information, general information. checkpointerg.com/gaming-disorder-what-you-need-to-know, gaming disorder, what you need to know. World Mental Health Websites 1. Befrienders.org, Befrienders. leafeline.org.au/about-leafeline-looking-for-help/looking-for-help, Lifeline International. Online live chat for suicide prevention. imalive.org, imalive. 7cupsoftea.com, 7 cups of tea. Crisischat.org, Lifeline Crisis Chat. Suicide.org/international-suicide-hotlines.html, International Suicide Hotlines. IASP.info/resources/crisis_centers, International Association for Suicide Prevention, Resources, Crisis Centers. Suicide-prevention on leafeline.org/learn/safety, how to create a safety plan. Befrienders.org/setting-up-a-helpline, how to set up a helpline. Suicide-prevention on leafeline.org/learn/risk factors, learn the risk factors for suicide. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/list_of_suicide_crisis_lines, another list of lifelines, Wikipedia. yourlifecounts.org/need-help/crisis-lines, your life counts. Global list of crisis lines searchable by location. psychom.net, psychom. General information and self-assessment about a variety of mental health issues. World Mental Health Websites 2. emro.who.in/entity/mental-health. Mental health and substance abuse. WHO Regional Office for the Eastern Mediterranean. nimh.nih.gov. National Institute of Mental Health, United States. nmhdu.org.uk. The National Mental Health Development Unit, NMITDU. England. ec.europa.eu/health-eu/problem/mental-health-index_n.htm. Health EU portal. Mental health in the EU. dh.gov.uk/n/policy and guidance/health and social care topics/mental health/index.htm. Mental Health Department of Health, United Kingdom. World Mental Health Day and Canada Let's Talk Day. World Mental Health Day is October 10th. letstalk.bell.ca celebrates January 25th as Canada's Mental Health Awareness and Acceptance Day. World Mental Health Day. World Mental Health Day is observed on the 10th of October every year. The objective is to raise awareness of mental health around the world. WHO.int. World Mental Health Day, October 10th. mentalhealth.org.uk/campaign/world-mental-health-day. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/world_mental_health_day. timeanddate.com/holidays/un/world-mental-health-day. teachstarter.com/event/world-mental-healthy-day. Chapter 2. Australia Mental Health Resources at checkpointerg.com/global. Australia Mental Health Crisis phone numbers and websites. 13 11 14. leafyline.org.au, Lifeline Australia. 1855 1800 Mental Health. kidshelp.com.au, Kids Helpline. 1352 47. thesamaritans.org.au, Samaritans. Emergency Services, 000 Mental Health. Australia MH websites. yourhealthinmind.org, Your Health in Mind. This website provides expert information about mental illness, treatments, psychiatrists, and how to get help. kidshelp.com.au, Kids Helpline. Kids Helpline is Australia's only national 24/7 telephone and online counselling and support service for young people aged between 5 and 25 years. leafyline.org.au, Lifeline. We provide 24/7 crisis support and suicide prevention services. sane.org, Sane, helping all Australians affected by mental illness lead a better life. blackdoginstitute.org.au, Black Dog Institute, information about depression and bipolar disorder including symptoms, causes, treatments, cue and a section, self-assessment tools and getting help. blackdoginstitute.org.au/public/getting-help/other support groups.cfm, a comprehensive list of Australian support groups divided by state. headspace.org.au, Headspace. Headspace is the National Youth Mental Health Foundation. We help young people who are going through a tough time. au.reachout.com, Reach Out, wonderful resource for young people finding themselves and their place in society. mindhealthconnect.org.au, Mind Health Connect. Mind Health Connect is the easy way to find mental health and well-being information, support, and services from Australia's leading health providers, together in one place. mindhealthconnect.org.au/mental-health-apps, Mental Health Apps, Australian site. Australia Depression websites. beyondblue.org.au, Beyond Blue is working to reduce the impact of anxiety, depression, and suicide in the community by raising awareness and understanding, empowering people to seek help, and supporting recovery, management, and resilience. livingisforeveryone.com.au/home.html, Living is for everyone, life is a world-class suicide and self-harm prevention resource. moodgym.anu.edu.au/welcome, Mood Gym, learn cognitive behavior therapy skills for preventing and coping with depression. mindspot.org.au, Mindspot, we provide free online and telephone screening assessments to help you learn about your symptoms of stress, anxiety, worry, and low mood. Complete the online screening assessment and a Mindspot therapist will then contact you via telephone or email to provide you with your results. Australia Anxiety websites. anxietyaustralia.com.au, Anxiety Australia provides information about anxiety disorders and the treatment options available. You will also find information on psychologists around Australia who have substantial experience in and/or work primarily with anxiety disorders. Addictions websites. aa.org.au, AA Australia. counselingonline.org.au, Counselling Online, a free, 24/7 counseling service for people using alcohol and other drugs, their family members and friends. al-anon.org/Australia, Al-Anon family groups. Alcoholism, alcohol abuse, or problem drinking affects thousands of families in Australia and worldwide. Your inquiry is confidential and anonymous. If you are concerned about someone else's drinking, we encourage you to browse our website for information about our programs. ncpic.org.au, the National Cannabis Prevention and Information Center, evidence-based information about cannabis use to prevent uptake, especially by young people and in Aboriginal communities, and support treatment of users. druginfo.adf.org.au, druginfo. Trauma/PTSD websites. Havika.org, Havika, help for adult victims of child abuse. Havika is run by survivors for adult survivors of child abuse. We provide support, friendship, and advice for any adult whose life has been affected by childhood abuse. whiteribbone.org.au, White Ribbon, Australia's campaign to stop violence against women. dvrcv.org.au, Domestic Violence Resource Centre Victoria, we provide training, publications, research, and other resources to those experiencing, or who have experienced, family violence, and practitioners and service organizations who work with family violence survivors. pickingupthepieces.org.au, Picking Up the Pieces. Picking Up the Pieces is a not-for-profit organization committed to raising awareness about the detrimental effects of stigma and the signs and symptoms of PTSD and how, by seeking intervention early, sufferers and their families can regain some functionality and an improved quality of life. Bipolar disorder websites. ibpf.org, International Bipolar Foundation. Sexuality and gender websites. lgbtihealth.org.au/mindout, Mindout, welcome to Mindout. National Mental Health and Suicide Prevention Project. qlife.org.au, qlife. qlife is Australia's first nationally oriented counselling and referral service for people of diverse sex, genders, and sexualities. qlife provides nationwide, early intervention, peer-supported telephone and web-based services to support lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender and intersex, LGBT, people of all ages. Eating disorders websites. thebutterflyfoundation.org.au, Butterfly National Support Line and Web Counseling Service, provides free, confidential support for anyone with a question about eating disorders or negative body image, including sufferers, carers, family and friends, teachers, employers and more. Support for carers websites. carersaustralia.com.au, Carers Australia. Carers Australia is the national peak body representing Australia's carers, advocating on behalf of Australia's carers to influence policies and services at a national level. It works collaboratively with partners and its member organisations, the network of state and territory carers associations, to deliver a range of essential national carer services. Chapter 3. U.S. Mental Health Resources at checkpointerg.com/global. USA Emergency Numbers websites. America Mental Health. 1-800-273-TALK, 8255. Hopeline.com, Hopeline. Emergency Services, 911 Mental Health. NAMI.org, National Alliance on Mental Illness. NAMI, the National Alliance on Mental Illness, is the nation's largest grassroots mental health organization dedicated to building better lives for the millions of Americans affected by mental illness. Including NAMI Air, a safe, anonymous app to share and air your experiences. Depression websites. DepressionAlliance.org. Depression Alliance provides information and support to those who are affected by depression via publications, supporter services and a network of self-help groups. PrescriptionPixel.com. Suicide Prevention.org, National Suicide Prevention Lifeline, USA. Anxiety websites. ADA.org, Anxiety and Depression Association of America. ADAA is a national nonprofit organization dedicated to the prevention, treatment, and cure of anxiety, depression, OCD, PTSD, and related disorders and to improving the lives of all people who suffer from them through education, practice, and research. Addictions websites. drugrehab.com, drugrehab.com. A web resource that provides information about addiction, eating disorders, and mental health issues. Trauma/PTSD websites. ptsdusa.org, PTSD Foundation of America. PTSD Foundation of America is a nonprofit organization dedicated to mentoring to our combat veterans and their families with post-traumatic stress. Sexuality and gender websites. itgetsbetter.org. The It Gets Better Project's mission is to communicate to lesbian, gay, bisexual and transgender youth around the world that it gets better, and to create and inspire the changes needed to make it better for them. itgetsbetter.org/content/international, international partners. thetrevorproject.org, The Trevor Project. The Trevor Project is the leading national organization providing crisis intervention and suicide prevention services to lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender and questioning, LGBTQ, young people ages 13 to 24. aglp.org, Association of Gay and Lesbian Psychiatrists. We are a community of psychiatrists that educates and advocates on lesbian, gay, bisexual and transgender mental health issues. Eating disorders websites. eatingdisorderfoundation.org, The Eating Disorder Foundation. The Eating Disorder Foundation offers a broad range of educational and support services at little or no cost. nationaleatingdisorders.org, NADA. NADA provides programs and services to give families the support they need to find answers for these life-threatening illnesses. Chapter 4. UK. Mental health resources at checkpointerg.com/global. UK emergency numbers websites. 116 123 Mental health. Samaritans.org, Samaritans. 0800684141 Mental health. papyrus.org.uk, Hopeline UK. Helplines.org, Helplines Partnership. Emergency Services, 999 Mental health. ROI. 080888088000 Mental health. leafelinehelpline.info/page/leafeline-helpline, Lifeline. UKMH websites. mentalhealth.org.uk, Mental Health Foundation, improving the lives of those with mental health problems or learning difficulties. Together-uk.org, Together, supports people through mental health services. scmh.org.uk, the Centre for Mental Health, working to improve the quality of life for people with mental health problems. time-to-change.org.uk, Time to Change, led by Mind and Rethink Mental Illness. We're England's biggest programme to challenge mental health stigma and discrimination. Rethink.org, Rethink Mental Illness. Since 1972 we have been challenging attitudes and changing lives, helping people living with conditions like schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, personality disorders and more to recover a better quality of life. Contact details for local services and support groups. victimsupport.org.uk, Victim Support. Victim Support is the independent charity for victims and witnesses of crime in England and Wales. We were set up 40 years ago and have grown to become the oldest and largest victims organization in the world. llgs.org.uk, the Lesbian and Gay Switchboard, provides information, support and referral services. b-eat.co.uk, Beat, we are Beat, the UK's leading charity supporting anyone affected by eating disorders or difficulties with food, weight and shape. UK depression websites. Samaritans.org, Samaritans UK. papyrus-uk.org, Papyrus. Papyrus exists to give young people hope and to prevent young suicide. depressionuk.org/index.html, Depression UK. Depression UK is a national self-help organization that helps people cope with their depression. The charity is run by a team of 15 or more volunteers who welcome you to join us. Addictions websites. TalkToFrank.com, Talk to Frank, the lows, the highs, and everything in between. Friendly, confidential drugs advice. Addaction.org.uk. One of the UK's largest specialist drug and alcohol treatment charities. actiononaddiction.org.uk/home.asbxdh, only charity working across the addiction field in research, prevention, treatment, professional education, support for families and children, and campaigns. addictionrecovery.org.uk, addiction recovery agency, experienced in providing services to people with drug, alcohol, or gambling problems. All our services offer the best opportunity to progress towards abstinence and to maintain recovery from addiction to drugs, alcohol, or gambling. gamcare.org.uk, Gamcare. Gamcare's staff are dedicated and experienced professionals, helping problem gamblers and their friends and families. Recovery.org, recovery.com. Our mission at recovery.org is to connect people and their families with the information and resources to help them recover from substance abuse and behavioral disorders. UK bipolar disorder websites. bipolaruk.org.uk, Bipolar UK. Bipolar UK is the national charity dedicated to supporting individuals with the much misunderstood and devastating condition of bipolar, their families and carers. Chapter 5. New Zealand Mental Health Resources at checkpointerg.com/global. NZ Emergency Numbers websites. 09522 999, Auckland. 0800 543 354, rest of NZ. leafelyline.org.nz/corp_home_378_2001.aspx, Lifeline New Zealand. Emergency Services, 111 Mental Health. NZMH websites. mentalhealth.org.nz. The Mental Health Foundation of New Zealand is a charity that works towards creating a society free from discrimination, where all people enjoy positive mental health and well-being. hdc.org.nz/about-hyphen-us/mental-health-and-help-and-support/getting-help, health and disability commissioner. Depression and anxiety websites. depression.org.nz, depression.org.nz. Mental health. thelowdown.co.nz. Help young New Zealanders understand depression and anxiety from their own perspective. Addictions websites. alcoholdrughelp.org.nz, alcohol and drug help. gamblinghelpline.co.nz, gambling helpline. Maori and Pacific Islands MH websites. depression.org.nz/get-better/your-identity/Maori, for the Maori community mental health. depression.org.nz/get-better/your-identity/Pacifica, for the Pacifica community mental health. The Pacifica communities living in Aotearoa come from many different cultures and speak a range of languages. While that makes our lives richer, it can be tricky when it comes to talking about difficult things, like mental health. Sexuality and gender websites. affinityservices.co.nz/rainbow-community-liaison-and-training-team, Affinity Services. outline.org.nz, 0800 outline, 688-5463, is a free nationwide phone counseling service staffed by trained volunteers. gayline.org.nz, Gayline. shop.mentalhealth.org.nz/images/sync files/001709.pdf. Takatapui, part of the Huana, provides information and support for Takatapui and their Huana. ry.org.nz, Rainbow Youth supports young people with a drop-in center, peer support, advocacy, a library, and other resources. enz.org.nz, ITANS provides information, education, and training for organizations and professionals who provide services to intersex people and their families. equasian.org.nz, Equation is a social support group for people from all parts of the Asian region. Village Collective. Environment for the Pacifica Rainbow Community. villagecollective.org.nz/what-we-do/rainbow-collective. Eating disorders websites. mentalhealth.org.nz/get-hyphen-help/a-sid/eating-disorders?CIKB5KFPXMQ-CFDGLVQOD6H4A_CPX Mental Health Foundation Eating Disorders Page Mental Health. Chapter 6. Europe Mental Health Resources at checkpointerg.com/global. Emergency numbers websites. European Emergency Number, 112. France, English speaking. 0033-145-39 4000 Mental Health. Suicide.ecout.free.fr, Suicide Ecout. 0146-2146-46 Mental Health. SOSHelpline.org, SOS Help. Germany. Telefon Seelsorge Deutschland, National. German speaking, 0800-111-0222 Mental Health. English speaking, 030-44-010-607 Mental Health. Crisis Support Line 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. daily. Italy. 886-0022 Mental Health. Samaritans-onlus.it, Samaritans. Europe MH websites. EUFAMI.org, European Federation of Associations of Families of People with Mental Illness. Welcome to this online information source for people with severe mental illness and their families and friends. euro.who.in/n/health-topics/non-communicable-diseases/mental-health, WHO Europe Mental Health. Mental health information from the World Health Organization. Chapter 7. South Africa Mental Health Websites. Emergency numbers websites. 0861-322-322 Mental Health. LifelineESA.co.za, Lifeline Southern Africa. Emergency Services, 10177 Mental Health. MH websites. safmh.org.za, South African Federation for Mental Health. SADAG.org, South African Depression and Anxiety Group Mental Health. mentalhealthsa.org.za, Mental Health Information Center Mental Health. Chapter 8. Japan Mental Health Websites. Emergency numbers websites. odn.ne.jp/ceq16010, Befrienders International, Tokyo. +81, 0, 35286 9090 Mental Health. sbc-osaka.org, by Suicide Prevention Center, Osaka. +81, 0, 64395 4343. Tokyo English Lifeline. 107-0062 Mental Health. teljp.com, teljp. Counseling, 0357774 0992 Mental Health Face-to-Face, 033 0231 Mental Health. Japan MH websites. utsu.ne.jp. Information about depression in Japanese. kakuro-h.jp, Mental Health. Kakuro no Hidamari. Chapter 3. Psychology Organization websites for some countries. International organizations and associations. Psychology Organization websites. abainternational.org/welcome.aspx, Association for Behavior Analysis International. IACAPAP.org, International Association for Child and Adolescent Psychiatry and Allied Professions. MyACFP.org, International Association for Correctional and Forensic Psychology. IAGP.com, International Association for Group Psychotherapy and Group Processes. IASWG.org, International Association for Social Work with Groups Incorporated. IAAOC.org, International Association of Addictions and Offender Counselors. IAAPSY.org, International Association of Applied Psychology. hypnosisalliance.com/IACT/index.php, International Association of Counselors and Therapists. IMFC.org, International Association of Marriage and Family Counselors. IAOTH.com, International Association of Therapists. IETA.org, International Expressive Arts Therapy Association. IPPNetwork.org, International Positive Psychology Association. IPA.world, International Psychoanalytical Association. IFTA-familytherapy.org, International Family Therapy Association. ISCAinfo.com, International School Counselor Association. ISBAweb.org, International School Psychology Association. ComparativePsychology.org, International Society for Comparative Psychology. ISDP.org, International Society for Developmental Psychobiology. ISMHO.org, International Society for Mental Health Online. ISSBD.org/content-display.aspx?src=home, International Society for the Study of Behavioral Development. ISSID.org.com, International Society for the Study of Individual Differences. ISSD-D.org, International Society for the Study of Trauma and Dissociation. ISTSS.org, International Society for Traumatic Stress Studies. ISBP.org, International Society of Political Psychology. ISSBonline.org, International Society of Sport Psychology. WorldSleepSociety.org, World Sleep Society. Canada Psychology Organization websites. CCPA-ACCP.ca, Canadian Counselling and Psychotherapy Association. CGPA.ca, Canadian Group Psychotherapy Association. CPCA-RPC.ca, Canadian Professional Counselors Association. CPA-APC.org, Canadian Psychiatric Institution. CPA.ca, Canadian Psychological Association. PsychologyFoundation.org, Psychology Foundation of Canada. UK and Ireland Psychology Organisation websites. AddictionCounsellors.ie, Addiction Counsellors of Ireland. API.ie, Association for Psychoanalysis and Psychotherapy in Ireland. APCP.ie, Association of Professional Counsellors and Psychotherapists in Ireland. babcp.com/default.aspx, British Association for Behavioural and Cognitive Psychotherapies. BACP.co.uk, British Association for Counselling and Psychotherapy. BAP.org.uk, British Association for Psychopharmacology. BAAT.org, British Association of Art Therapists. Bomba.org.uk, British Association of Mindfulness-Based Approaches. BASW.co.uk, British Association of Social Workers. Psychoanalysis.org.uk, British Psychoanalytical Society. BPS.org.uk, British Psychological Society. CBTI.ie, Cognitive Behavioural Psychotherapy, Ireland. IrishPsychiatry.ie, College of Psychiatrists of Ireland. EMDRassociation.org.uk, EMDR UK. FamilyTherapyIreland.com, Family Therapy Association of Ireland. GestaltInstitute.ie, Gestalt Institute of Ireland. IACP.ie/page, Irish Association for Counselling and Psychotherapy. IACAT.ie, Irish Association of Creative Arts Therapists. IAIP.org, Irish Association of Humanistic and Integrative Psychotherapy. IAPTP.ie, Irish Association of Play Therapy and Psychotherapy. Psychotherapycouncil.ie, Irish Council for Psychotherapy. Playtherapy.ie, Play Therapy Ireland. Psychologicalsociety.ie, Psychological Society of Ireland. Psychotherapy.org.uk, UK Council for Psychotherapy. ukpts.co.uk, UK Psychological Trauma Society. rcpsych.ac.uk, UK Royal College of Psychiatrists. Australia and New Zealand Psychology Organisation websites. onsap.com.au, Australia and New Zealand Association of Psychotherapy. aaft.asn.au, Australian Association of Family Therapy. groupanalysis.com.au, Australian Association of Group Psychotherapists. aapi.org.au, Australian Association of Psychologists. acpia.org.au, Australian Clinical. acpia.org.au, Psychology Association. theaca.net.au, Australian Counselling Association. ahhca.org, Australian Holistic Healers and Counsellors Association. psychology.org.au, Australian Psychological Society. apaxnsw.org.au/home, Australian Psychologists and Counsellors in Schools. psychology.org.nz, New Zealand Psychological Society. pocfa.org.au, Psychotherapy and Counselling Federation of Australia. rancp.org/home, Royal Australian and New Zealand College of Psychiatrists. European Psychology Organisation websites. bfe.org, Biofeedback Federation of Europe. eac.eu.com, European Association for Counselling. eadp.info, European Association for Developmental Psychology. europsyche.org, European Association for Psychotherapy. eaph.ie, European Association of Professional Hypnotherapists, EAPH. eapm.eu.com, European Association of Psychomatic Medicine. easp.eu, European Association of Social Psychology. eb-aca.org, European branch of the American Counseling Association. European Family Therapy.eu, European Family Counseling Association. European Family Therapy.eu, European Family Therapy Association. europsy.net, European Psychiatric Association. epf-fap.eu/eng, European Psychoanalytical Federation.